Today we're making bath bombs! So we're back from the toy and we got all the items for the bath bomb. My sister to read all the ingredients. Okay, what we need is 1.5 cups of citric acid, 1 cup of baking soda, 1.5 of cornstarch, and 1.5 of Epsom salt, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, food coloring, and this is optional, but we decided to use essential oil. We choose that it was relaxing and soothing. We have these molds, and then we got Easter molds too that we're gonna use. So let's get started, you guys. Ready, Nathan? Yeah. Next, baking soda. We need 1 cup of baking soda. Put it there. And add it. Oh wow. That looks like no. Yeah, it does look like snow. It looks like a mountain though. Right there. Wow.
A little more.
It looks like a little more.
Yes.
It looks like a mountain though.
There you go.
It looks like a mountain though. Yeah. My turn. That's a lot. Yeah. Oh, look at this. It looks so beautiful. It looks like snow, right? Yeah, it does look like snow. And then we're gonna put it in. Wow. There. Next ingredient. Next is a half cup of cornstarch. Yep. It looks like we know. Next one. It looks like a mountain now, right? Yeah. Next is Epsom salt. Yeah. Half a cup of Epsom salt. No bubbles, right?
Right.
There we go.
There you go.
Next one is coconut oil. Got it.
Good. 2 tablespoons. We're gonna use that one. 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. Perfect.
What next? Next is
Food coloring.
food coloring. Yep. So I want green and blue.
1 more.
One more time.
That's it.
And then
Perfect.
this. It's bubbling up for some reason.
Now let's put the green in here.
I want to do it.
Okay. Careful. Just a little bit. There you go. Now let's mix them up.
Ooh. So we're mixing it until the food coloring gets into it.
Now we have blue right here, and he's mixing the green one. Let me see, Nathan. Wow, it's going great now.
And I'm making yellow.
Nice.
That's orange. It's not yellow.
I'm pretty sure it's like a yellow orange.
Yeah. It's orange.
Let's keep mixing, mixing.
Whoa, look at mine. Almost.
Almost. Keep mixing them.
There.
Now we'll put in the central. 5 drops in this one in the green and 6 drops in the blue one.
4. That's it. That's it now. That was a huge drop.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we made the central oil. It smells so good. Oh yeah.
Now we're gonna put it on the mold. We use a little bit of coconut oil. Put them in the mold. We're gonna use 2 colors.
My turn.
We're gonna use green and blue. We're gonna add a little bit of more blue so it can feel very tight.
Yeah.
You see?
So I'm putting.
You can put it now. You can put it the green, a little bit of green,
Add some blue.
and then keep pressing it. You have to keep pressing. So now that we have Nathan's half and the half that I made, we're gonna do a little bit of tap around it.
I want to put it.
Hold on, sweetie. I'll give it to you in a second. And then we kind of hit it a little bit. That's half one.
Now it's my turn to make my own bath bomb. What? Put in the egg. Gonna start. Well,
Yeah, we're gonna do it.
this.
I think I'm
Go like this. And then obviously, big muscle for these.
And then we do little hits.
Little taps. Then we break.
There's half,
Looks so good.
and there's the other half.
Whoa! I mean, break it. Let me break them.
We're gonna leave them here to rest. You wanna make another one?
Yes. Where would I put it?
This is a beautiful bath bomb. So now we did what's up. We made a backbone and the egg bomb is so huge. Now we're gonna try it in the water. You wanna try anything? Yeah. Slowly, very gentle. Put it in the water. Oh! Wow! I wanna try one now. What color is it, Nathan? Green. No. Don't play it. Oh my god. You hear that? I'm breaking it. I'm trying to break it. Oh, this feels so cool.